Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim and withdraw your CATS coin using your Bitget account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now you can see here, this is the home page of my CATS Telegram mining app. So guys, now the next step now you have to take now is to tap on where you can see Airdrop. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see exchanges, because we are trying to use our Bitget account to claim and withdraw our CATS coin. Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, so we're going to be tapping on exchanges. So let's tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see we have several options here, several withdrawal options for your CATS coin. You can see the first one is Bitget, the second one is Gate, the third one is Bybit, while the last one there is KuCoin. So guys, now the one we're going to go for is the first option, which is Bitget. So let's tap on it right away. So what I'll do now is to tap on where it is written send here. So let me tap on send here. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Do you have a Bitget account? You need to add a deposit address to receive your CATS coin. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written Mew, I have it. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, Bitget deposit. Add your deposit address and UID. So guys, now these are the requirements you need to provide in order to claim and withdraw your CATS coin using your Bitget account. You can see the first requirement, your Bitget UID, while the second one is your CATS deposit address. So guys, I've already gotten these two requirements, which are my Bitget UID and the CATS deposit address. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to paste it. But in case you don't know how to get all of this, you don't need to bother yourself about that. I've already made a dedicated video on how you can get your CATS deposit address and Bitget UID. So what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video that will teach you how you can get your Bitget UID and also your CATS deposit address. So guys, that's all you need to do. Just tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can get your Bitget UID and your CATS deposit address the right way. So guys, now that being said, let me go ahead now to paste my Bitget UID. So let me tap on the first option. Let me tap on it. Then what I'll do now is to go ahead now to paste it. So let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my Bitget UID. So now the next step now is to actually input my CATS deposit address. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me go ahead now to paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my CATS deposit address. So guys, now what I have to do next now is to tap on where you can see send. You can see send right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's see what the next page is going to look like. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to link my withdrawal address. You can see what's written there, pending. So they are actually working on it. So guys, now this is how you can actually claim and withdraw your CATS coin using your Bitget account. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.